Ya tú sabes, that is spaz. Ya tú sabes, that I spaz. Hey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was popping. For no one that wanted to do this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blunt y se cae Dolores.
Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Chunky Kiddo 7 back with another video. How y'all doing out there, guys? My new subscribers was popping. From the one that always been this is day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all for real, for real. How y'all doing out there, guys? I hope everybody's doing good. I hope everybody's prayed up, blessed up. If you know anything negative in your life comes, man, always be positive and stay positive, man. It's hard to stay positive. Never ever stay negative. If you stay negative, you're gonna get yourself in a hole, right? And that's no good. You know what I mean? Because life keep going and it keeps on and keeps on. So keep your head up. Do what you got to do, man. And keep going, man. Don't stop. Don't stop for nothing. You feel me? So in today's video right now, I'm up here in the garage. As y'all can see, we have a mess here. So I am going to organize the garage to the best of my ability right now. We're going to organize all this and all this mess, and I'm gonna try to sell a lot of my product, a lot of my things that I have here, because all this shit is doing sitting around. I'm gonna have good deals. I'm gonna have used and new parts to sell, you know, and we're gonna be chilling, man. Everything gotta go, you feel me? Because everything can't just be laying around here, man. I gotta start letting everything go, you feel me? As much as I love everything here, it all gotta go. It all gotta go. So that's what we got going on right now, guys. Stay tuned. So y'all gonna see whatever I'm about to clean up right now. Alright, what's up, guys? So right now, as y'all can see, all this mess right here, all these boxes, I gotta start putting everything in order, start making up here look nice and taken care of. You know, cause this been messy for way too long, man, and I gotta start organizing it. Right now, I got nothing to do. I got 5 hours. Let me see, about 4 hours until I go to work. So in about 2 hours, man, I get some of this shit done, some of this shit cleaned up and ready. You know what I mean? Just ready to start selling things, man. Cause I still gotta start all this shit. You gotta go out. You gotta go out. I had it for about 2 years already in here, man. Shit gotta go out quick. I'm gonna go downstairs right now, go get the broom real quick. Guys, I got too many shit here, too much. Hopefully the broom is here. Oh, it's not upstairs. Damn, it is upstairs. Fuck. It's pretty good. It's pretty nice outside. It's nice outside. It's not as cold like it was the past few weeks. It's been brick. Oh man. On that corner right there. What could go on that corner? Big ass box right here could go on that corner. I could go right there. Whew. Let me get all of this. This box is gonna go all the miscellaneous stuff that I don't fuck with. That's just laying here. Into any bolts, screws, anything that has to do with bikes, like bike part, bike screws, rings and all that. I keep it in a separate container, just cause you never know when you're gonna use them. That can go over there. Some of these clothes items is my girl's. She got to do something with it, throw it away or do something with that shit. Okay, so I got some stuff moved, organized. Put some stuff there. Okay, you guys ready? So this is, I got the garage cleaned up, all nice. I got a little rug in the middle. I had that rug folded it for about 3 years. Got everything on the side. Still gotta organize this part, but it's all cool. So I'm gonna show you how it is. Just like this. So up here is gonna probably be like my photo where I'm gonna take pictures of the parts, just put them on the rug, or just, just do a little bit things up here, but I got it all organized finally. As you can see, it's all organized. Nice little workspace. A little wider angle. How's it gonna look? What you guys think? So this is what we got here going on. Finally, I always wanted to get this organized, and I finally got it done. What I gotta do next is downstairs. I got the downstairs part now that I gotta organize. It's gonna get there. It'll get there. But I just want to say God bless you guys. Thank God for watching. Thank God for subscribing to my channel. So yeah, I gotta put a lot of the parts on the walls. As well on this wall too. You know, I got some of my newspaper articles on the wall, on the garage door. But I just want to thank y'all guys again. Thank y'all so much. I appreciate y'all. God bless. Keep building, keep riding, keep living, guys. God bless. Until my next video. Peace.